right, good morning everybody, this is Mr. Brown. We're going to show you really quickly, for those of you who are at-home learners, how to do this project that's a test grade in Photopea. Here's the bad thing. Photopea barely works, so I'm giving you guys kind of a modification. This is all you have to do, and you will get a 100 for doing it. Come up to File, open the image that I gave you guys, which is this image of a group of people. So in the original assignment, you were supposed to change the three people on the front shirt to kind of match. So this guy, it's supposed to be yellow like this one guy here on the right. And what we're going to do is change, the original assignment was to change the two lady shirts to try to match and then erase the people in the background. But Photopea doesn't really let you do that. So we're going to just change one lady's shirt color. And if you can do that and turn it in, get 100 on your test grade. Here's how you do it. Press the W key to select the quick selection tool. Make sure it's selected. And then you should just have to click. We're going to do just the center lady with the really, really blue shirt. And we're just going to click on her. And it may take a second, but it kind of loaded and it looks like her shirt is completely selected. And that's what we wanted. Oops, except I did not mean to do that. So let's go back. That's really what we wanted, was just her shirt to be selected. So now you're going to come down to the bottom right where you have this little half circle. It's next to the word EFF. And you're just going to click that, and that's going to pop up this menu. And what we're doing is we're creating an adjustment layer with a mask. So I'm going to click Hue Saturation. And what we get this pop-up here, and this is what we wanted. So this is the fourth time I've tried this, and the first time that this has actually worked correctly. So we're doing okay. Hey, what we're going to adjust is the hue. We're going to slide it to the left, maybe. There we go. And try to get the shirt as yellow. I'm about 144, and that's looking pretty good. If you change the range to blue, where it says range, it usually says master. I changed it to blue. You can slide that down and you can get even more control because her shirt was blue to begin with. I'm going to turn the lightness up a little bit and just a little bit more, and maybe just adjust it just a smidgen. I'll turn the saturation up too, maybe. And that's looking close. So I've got my blue set to -50, saturation 65, lightness 85, and I'm going to come back to master. I have my hue just set to 144. That gets us pretty close. If you want to get fancy and if yours works, you can click on the mask layer and you can paint in this area. I'm going to hit Command D to deselect here, and I'm going to turn that off by clicking the PRO, which is for properties. If you come over to your brush or you hit the letter B on your keyboard, and then I'm going to switch the color to white, which it already is white, and I'm just going to, with my mask selected right here, under Hue Saturation, you can see that the little black and white square is selected. I'm going to try to paint. It's kind of working. I kind of need to turn my brush size up, but I'm always afraid it's just going to break. So let's just see what happens. All right, so I'm kind of painting, and you can see it's kind of fixing that. If you don't want to fix this, that's fine. You can see I kind of got into the old guy's shirt and his face a little bit. So there we go. I'm not going to push it anymore. If you can get it to this point where her shirt is yellow, just go File, up to the top left, go File, go Export As, and then export it as a JPEG and save it and turn that in. You will get 100 for this test grade. Sorry that Photopea is always such a pain, but I'm trying to give you guys a little bit of slack. And if you can just get her shirt to be yellow, hey, we're going to call that a win. That's pretty close to what you need to do anyways. All right, that's it, guys. Hope you have a great Friday. Get this turned in, and we will get your grades updated on Monday. See you guys next time.